All right, here we go. Good luck, guys. We're going to roll the dice, pick a box, 1 through 5, 6 through 10. Box number 1, top box. And see how many times we hit the randomizer. 4 times. 4 times on the randomizer. So here we go. Let me write 1 on that box for no confusions. There, wrote 1 on the box. And let's go to the random here. We're going to hit it 4 times. We got Chicago Ash, Chicago Ash, Chicago Ash, Chicago Ash, Sestel, Home Run Over You, Red Nation, Patch Autos, and Jake 834. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. There is your draft order. Patch Autos, Home Run, Sestel, Chicago, Chicago, Jake, Chicago, Red Nation. Oh, that's only 9. Oh, what did I miss? Who did I miss? Four, 5, 6, 7. I missed home runs second. All right, let's reset. Miss Chicago. Let's go back here. Delete that. I missed Lucas's second one is what I missed. Everybody's gonna hate me. For my mistake, I'll throw in some. Do I still have any? Yeah. Do I have any? Yeah. For my mistake, I'll throw in some heritage packs for you guys. Some 2012 heritage packs. So there we go. We're gonna hit the randomizer 4 times. Got everybody's name in there. There's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. There is your draft order. Went worse for Carrie. Yeah, I'll definitely throw you guys. Throw you guys in some extra heritage packs that I got. Do I have 10? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I got 8. I'm gonna have to go get another box. Got 8 packs here. And then bottom 2, I'll throw an extra. So I'll get another box. Boom, throw it in. All right. Yeah, I'll correct my mistake. Here we go. I knew I was missing something. Now everybody's gonna hate me. Why? Don't send you anything extra? Alright. Alright, we're gonna start off 13 of 99. Rick Rude. When did anybody like me? 13 of 99, Rick Rude. And 27 of 299, Finn Balor. You don't hate me. Stop it. Man, my hands are all sweaty now because of my mistake. 21 of 99, Summer Rae. 22 of 25, Sasha Banks. 1, 2, 3, 4 color. 22 of 25. I don't know if you guys, I forgot to show the base. Shango Kid and the Mega Bucks. And then this one has Sting, Jimmy Hart, and Mark Henry. That's the Finn Balor pack. Yeah, people are going to hate me now. The two-man power trip, 24 of 99. And Trish Stratus, 107 of 299. Ric Flair, Edge, and JoJo. Uh, 16 of 25, Virgil. 237 of 299, Hideo Itami. NXT autograph. British Bulldog, Ryback, X-Pac. No, jeez. Alex and Jake and Sestel and Kerry. Big Show out of 99. 12 of 99. 22 of 50, Lana. Silver autograph. We got Kurt Hennig, Dudley, and Scott Dawson. 4 of 10, Vader time. 126 of 175, Sheamus. Yeah, that last case was just ugh. Edge, Roman Reigns, Apollo Crews. That's just basically making me stop buying that stuff. 8 of 10, Emma. $57 of 99, Bailey. Dusty Rhodes, Luke Harper, Edge and Christian. Either that or next box I do every spot at 17 for you guys that joined. 33 of 50, J&J Security. Or 28 and 28 of 99, Alicia Fox. She got smashed up by Nia Jax the other night. Mean Gene Okerlund, Zack Ryder, Peyton Royce. $46 of 99, Hideo Itami. 27 of 175, Jimmy Uso. Rocky Johnson, Doink the Clown, Lita. $4 of 50, Cowboy Bob Orton. 22 of 299, AJ Styles. Honky Tonk Man, Big E, Yokozuna. That was the box. Thank you guys. Back. Good luck in the draft.